What's up, YouTube? Today I'll be showing you how to edit your power options for when your computer goes to sleep or when your monitor turns off in Windows 10. So the first step to do that is to open up the control panel by right clicking on the start button and choosing control panel, and we will select power options, and we'll just edit the balance plan. So where it says balance, we'll click on change plan settings, and I use this computer to remotely access, so I don't ever want this to go to sleep, or I want the monitor to stay on as well. So I'm just going to choose never for when to turn off the display and never when to put the computer to sleep. I will click save changes, and now my monitor will always stay on and my computer will never go to sleep. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to click subscribe and to like the video. Thank you and have a great day.